Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade coleslaw. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This includes finely shredded cabbage and carrots, which form the base of our delicious slaw. You'll also need mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, and a touch of sugar for that perfect balance of creamy and tangy. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the heart of our coleslaw, the dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your mayonnaise with the apple cider vinegar. Whisk these together until they are smooth and well blended. Next, incorporate about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This helps to balance the tanginess. Finally, season the dressing with approximately 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed for your preferred flavor profile. With your dressing prepared, it's time to bring everything together. Add your shredded cabbage and carrots to the bowl with the dressing. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss the mixture until all the vegetables are evenly coated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cabbage watery. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your coleslaw a good stir to redistribute the dressing and ensure every bite is perfect. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color and extra freshness. This homemade coleslaw is a fantastic side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any meal. It's simple, delicious, and always a crowd pleaser. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.